Viewers, with elections just around the corner in West Bengal, the appeasement toolkit is already activated. Amid the fear-mongering over the SIR, a rebel TMC MLA has stoked a Babri provocation. We're talking about Humayun Kabir, who has announced that he is going to lay the foundation stone for his proposed Babri Masjid on 6th of December to mark the anniversary of the demolition of the original one that once stood in Ayodhya in Uttar Pradesh. Now, he says that the Babri-like masjid will take at least 3 years to complete. Remember, viewers, last year he had pledged to build a Babri-like mosque. BJP says it's nothing but appeasement by the Trinamool Congress MLA and that the party endorses such divisive views by failing to take action against him. Listen in to the war of words.
आपको पता मिला जो मालूम होना चाहिए जो 6 दिसंबर 1992 जो ए बाबरी मस्जिद को तोड़ दिया कारसबेग को, तो मैं मुस्लिम का बहुत दुख का बात है। कला दिवस बोल के मानते हैं 1992 से 6 दिसंबर, इसीलिए वही डेट को मैं निर्धारण किया।
ममता बनर्जी जो मुस्लिम वोट को व्यवहार किए, मुस्लिम को यूज किए, उनके लिए क्या काम किए हैं? सचार कमेटी में संख्यालघु संप्रदाय को लेकर जो जो काम करने बोले थे वो एक भी काम हुआ है। और ये टीएमसी पार्टी में हुमायूं कबीर भी है। तो सिर्फ मस्जिद बनाएंगे बोल के आप मुसलमान लोगों का उन्नयन नहीं कर रहे।
Now, viewers, we have a reaction coming in from other leaders of other political parties as well. We're talking about Congress leader Udit Raj, in fact, who says there's nothing wrong in building a mosque. Listen in.
जब मंदिर की आधारशिला रखी जा सकती तो मस्जिद का कर रखने में क्या इसमें दिक्कत है? और बिना मतलब का विवाद वो खड़ा कर रहे हैं जो इसका नोटिस ले रहे हैं या विरोध कर रहे हैं। तो मस्जिद बनवाए भाई, ये तो धार्मिक आज़ादी है इस देश में और सभी देशों में है करीब करीब। तो हिंदू जब मंदिर बन रहे हैं तो मस्जिद भी बन जा रही है, फिर चर्चेज भी बन, बौद्ध विहार भी बन रहे हैं। कौन सी ऐसी बात है उसमें?
And we have another reaction coming in from another Congress leader, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Listen in to what he said.
बंगाल के मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी कभी पूरी से धाम उठा के बंगाल में ला रहे हैं, कभी महाकाल बना रहे हैं नॉर्थ बंगाल में, मतलब हिंदू वोटों को इकट्ठा करने के लिए और बीजेपी से ज्यादा वो हिंदू ये दिखाने के लिए ये मंदिर की सियासत शुरू कर दी है। तो उनकी पार्टी की जो बाकी नेतागण है उनको भी तो कुछ करना पड़ेगा। हमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं मंदिर बनी या मस्जिद बनी, हमें इसमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं, लेकिन किसी बहाने मंदिर मस्जिद बनाने के बहाने चुनाव और चुनाव में समर्थन हासिल करना और उसके साथ साथ विभाजन की राजनीति, ध्रुवीकरण की राजनीति नहीं होना, ये हमें सबको देखना पड़ेगा।
Let's now go across to my colleague Hridita, who is joining us live right now from Kolkata for more on this. Hridita, what has been the reaction of other leaders of the Trinamool Congress on this statement by their own MLA?
Well, yes, what the Bharatpur MLA Humayun Kabir had made a statement yesterday, we heard on the 6th of December, is now going to lay a foundation stone to the Babri Masjid as one that stood in Ayodhya once, and now he's going to lay it in West Bengal in the Ghagru Para under the Beldanga police station in Murshidabad. In the update that we are getting to know that 20 bigha of the land has been already observed by him. It has been selected by him, amidst which 16 bigha or 16 acre would be given to the building of the Babri Masjid. The masjid will be built up on that, and the rest 14 acres would be given for building up a dharamshala. Now, given to this stand, we are not able to understand what TMC at the point stands in a view of, because every time we have tried and speak to TMC about the Bharatpur's MLA's comment on building a Babri Masjid, TMC has swiftly said no or ignored to reply to any comment imposed by the Bharat MLA. To also remember, a few months before, this same MLA, the Bharatpur MLA, had challenged the Chief Minister of the state, said that he would capture on the Muslim votes of Mamta Banerjee, and has challenged her over 50 to 55 seats, which would be consisting of Murshidabad and Nadia. And at that time also, TMC had not spoken any word, and in few days of time we had seen a change in words of the Bharatpur MLA Humayun Kabir himself, and this time also TMC MLA whole in whole, in fact, in spite of him holding a very important position in the Murshidabad district. Back to you.
Right, Hridita, stay on with us. In fact, other political parties have also reacted. We have a reaction coming in from Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav as well over the remark made by TMC MLA. And in fact, he goes on to attack the BJP. Listen in.
वो अलग तरह की कोई बात कही होगी, कोई भी धार्मिक स्थान अपना बनाना चाहता है, जैसे हम ही अपना बनाना चाहते हैं, हमारा बन रहा है, उसको रोक लोगे क्या? ये बीजेपी हर धर्म के खिलाफ है। ये जो बात आप कह रहे हो ना, आप आर्काइव में वो वीडियो निकालिए, कौन खिलाफत कर रहा था वहां जब हम बना रहे थे इटावा में मंदिर, तो वहां से मेरे खिलाफ प्रेस कराई गई। ये प्रेस कराई गई कि ये मंदिर नहीं बनना चाहिए, और वहां के पुजारियों ने कहा हम प्रेस नहीं करेंगे, तो बीजेपी ने अपना कार्यकर्ता खड़ा किया वहां पे, फिर वहां के मुख्यमंत्री जी से कहलवाया गया। तो बीजेपी हर धर्म के खिलाफ है। बीजेपी चाहती जैसा वो कहें धर्म वैसे ही अपना लीजिए आप।
Reactions have come in from leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party as well. BJP is of the view that this is appeasement by Trinamool Congress ahead of elections. BJP netas say that there's nothing wrong really in building a mosque, but why call it a Babri mosque, and why lay the foundation stone specifically on the day of demolition of that mosque? Listen in.
देखिए, टीएमसी का मतलब बन चुका है तुष्टीकरण मुझे चाहिए, और आज पश्चिम बंगाल में जब से टीएमसी की सरकार आई है, माँ माटी मानुष नहीं, केवल मुस्लिम अपीजमेंट और मुस्लिम अपीजमेंट चलता है। और इसीलिए हिंदू को दो गाली, हिंदू आस्था का करो अपमान, और लो वोट बैंक की ताली, यही बन चुकी है टीएमसी की पहचान। तुष्टीकरण की नीति अपनाते हुए हिंदू को दो गाली, वोट बैंक की लेनी है ताली, इसलिए कभी एसआईआर के नाम पर भड़काना, कभी वक्फ के नाम पर भड़काना, कभी सीए एनआरसी के नाम पर भड़काना, और अब इस मुद्दे पर भी जो अपीजमेंट प्रो मैक्स की पॉलिटिक्स चल रही है।
Let's go back to Hridita, who continues to be with us at this point in time. We heard reactions from the BJP as well, Hridita. BJP clearly terming it appeasement pro max.
Well, absolutely. The problem is not about building the mandir or masjid, but then the name remains in difficulty because of the name used as Babri Masjid. And Humayun Kabir, the Bharatpur MLA, is right and again making a point that he is going to make a Babri Masjid, and especially on the demolition date of which is the 6th of December, which once stood as prominent in Ayodhya, as you rightly mentioned. And now the point of problem is that regarding the name, and now BJP in West Bengal also says there is no problem in building a masjid or a mandir, because that can be a democratic right. And also we see that a lot of new mandirs or masjid is now being built, whereas Congress has countered Mamta Banerjee, stating that she is bringing up Puri's Dham in West Bengal, making a Digha Jagannath Dham, she is making Mahakal Mandir, and this is only to bring back her Hindu votes. And Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has also clearly said that she now wants to prove herself to be a bigger Hindu than the BJP, and that is rightly why they are now playing on the lines of divisive policy. And this is the reason why the other ministers of her own party are now feeling left out, and hence they're now wanting to also help in satisfy the goals of theirs, and therefore building up a masjid or a Babri Masjid is not becoming a problem. So you see, rightly, as the other ministers out here in Bengal is mentioning, or over the nation is mentioning, the problem is not with building of a religious place, but then the problem is by making a religious politics out of it.
All right. Thank you very much, Hridita. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on this story. Let's now move on, viewers, and talk about another big story of the day. As the crackdown on terror doctor network intensifies, the investigators are